Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Vertex Manoj Roy. Exercise 1.3, question number 4 onward, like the most important part now. In this question, I have already drawn this Venn diagram with three circles because we have about like three options here, like Chinese, Malay, and Tamil. This is about in the supermarket of the 36 employees, 24 speak Chinese and 20 and so on. Let's see. The total employees are, I'm writing here 36, and the Chinese who speak Chinese 24. I'm writing here is Chinese with 24. Okay, the first reason why did I draw this type of Venn diagram, not like this, or not like this? What's the reason? Because when you read this part, at least one of the three languages, like everyone speaks one of the three languages, mean there is something common here. This is very important part. Here we can see like if I write here Chinese and Malay on Tamil, it means some people are speaking Chinese and Malay, but not Tamil. But here, everybody everyone speak at least one language. Means this is very important part. So let's see. We have a question in which we need this type of figure. So I will explain. Chinese 24, Malay we have about 20 employees, and the Tamil are like 7 employees. Okay, be careful. This is the part only Chinese. This is the part only Malay, and this is the part only Tamil. And when we're talking about these, like this part, this total, it means we are talking about Malay on Chinese together, like Malay and Chinese, and this is called the intersection. And this part, when we are talking both the parts, it means we are talking about the like employees who are speaking Malay and Chinese. But and when I remove this part, and this part means this is only Malay and Chinese. This is a part. So be careful. The word of only is very important here. So let's put the value because I to explain this question I will take little time here. 36 altogether is there. This is so I am writing first of all x here because the first part is what requirement, find the number of employees who speak all three languages. So all three languages, this is x, all three languages. So the first part is this is the requirement. All three languages are there. Okay. So I put first x here. Okay. Next part. Next part, when I move to here is 8 speak both Chinese and Malay. Okay. 8 speak Chinese and Malay. It means I'm talking about this area. Chinese and Malay means altogether 8. But if I write 8 here, it means it is 8 plus x. This is wrong. So the total area is 8. This total area is 8. So it means what I will do one thing that I will write here uh, 8 minus 6. For example, it's coming suppose 5. So this will be 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. So altogether is 8. This is very important part. Then we have about changing the color here. 8 speak both Malay and Tamil. Okay, 8 speak Malay and Tamil. Malay and Tamil 8 or sorry 6. This will be 6 minus x. This is the first step. The same thing 3 is speaks 3 speaks both Chinese and Tamil. Chinese and Tamil means I will write here 3 minus x. This is the most important part I have like done here. Now, second here I can show you with this different color that this is 3 speaks both Chinese and Tamil. We have done till here. Now, most important part to find the like value on this area. Remember the total like here when we have this circle for the Chinese, The total employees are 24. So how can I find this area? This is very important part. Let me just do it one thing. What I do here, this part, this three part of this Chinese, 8 plus 3 is 11 and x is 11 minus x. 11 minus x is like I have to subtract from 24. From 24 is coming 24 minus 11 plus x is coming 13 plus x. This is coming 13 plus x. So how can you find this area actually? This is a very important part. And I think so. I should explain this in detail. Is how we can find this area, especially for those students who are doing this topic first time. How we can get this area. This is especially for those like students, like for the zero semester students who are requesting me so many times, requested me just to make the video. Sorry, sometimes I'm very busy, so but this is for you, especially the zero semester students. Good luck, and I know this you are doing this first time. So what you can do, I can make this topic more easy. That you can suppose this area is A. Total is 24, so you can write A plus 8 minus x plus x plus 3 minus x and is equals to 24 because there are 24 Chinese employees. So this cancel out. We have about 8 and 3 is about 11 minus x is 24. And if you want to find A, this area is 24 minus 11 and plus x is coming 13 plus x. And you can write 13 plus x here. And the same way you can suppose B and add all these values equals to 20 and you can get the answer of this area. And now this area is very important to find because only this is a difficult part in sets actually. Now in set I have to do 8 plus 6 is 14, x cancel 14 minus x. So 14 minus x should be subtracted from 20. So it's coming 6 plus x. This is the area 6 plus x. Now, talking about this area, you can suppose C and add all is equals to 7 and you can get this answer. 6 plus 3 is 9. X is cancelled. 9 minus x is subtracted from 7 is coming 7 minus 9 plus x minus 2 plus x means you can write x minus 2 is this area. So, now what, if I'm not wrong, this is cancel minus 14 and subtract from, sorry, minus 9 minus x and minus 7. I think so we have done it right. Okay. Now, what we are doing here, there is no one is here. Everything we have we have put everything in the particular area. Now, what we have to do is we know the total employees are 36. So we can do one thing. We can add all the areas. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. All this area we have to add 13 plus x plus 8 minus x plus 6 plus x, x 6 minus x plus 3 minus x in this area. I have one more method to find this, but I think so this is the very like easiest one to get all the answers. Right? So 13 plus 8 is 21 plus 6 is 27 plus 6 uh, is x plus 6 is there if I'm not wrong because I don't want to do any mistake. So yes, 13 plus 8 is 21 plus 6 is 27 plus 6 is 27 plus 6 is 33 plus 3 is 36. 36 minus 2 is 34. 34, this x cancel out with this x. This x is cancelled out with this x, and this x will, we can do it like this. So what is what we have? Only plus x is equals to 36. So x is equals to 36 minus 34 and x is coming 2. So this is the area like we are talking about this the x like all three languages who speak all three languages we have already supposed x and x is coming 2. If you want to check the answer, we can check like question number 4 is 2. The answer is right. Answer is 2. Second thing they ask Tamil only. It means we are talking about this area only. This area. Only this area. Because I told you this is only Malay, this is only Chinese. This is only Malay on Chinese, and this is Tamil on Malay. This is the area. But this is only Tamil. So if you want to find this area, only Tamil, then Tamil you can write one thing is x minus 2. So what is the value of x you got? It's 2. 2 minus 2 is coming what? 0. It means there is no one like who speak only Tamil. They speak at least like 2 or 3 languages. So you can see the answer is coming 0 and we have done it. So now moving to question number 5. This type of question I have already done 3 circles because it's given here. You can see at least here in the community club group 40 women take part in at least one of the 3 activities. So this is very important to draw this shape. So I can suppose this is x, but let check me check the like okay, I can do one thing. I can make a rectangle first. This rectangle means total are 40. Universal set, number of universal sets are 40. Is here 40. Okay, moving to next part. First of all, always check about this common one. This is very important. Just do we have something here which is common? Of the 25 women who choose cooking, so we have cooking here, and we have singing here, and we have dancing here. The 3 categories we can see uh, singing and dancing. Okay, now 3 choose cooking only, and just one more thing. X choose both singing and dancing. This is like I cannot suppose this is X here now because the position of X is fixed. So I would like to start from here. X choose both singing and dancing. So it means not only, remember, this is not, and here only means this area, and this area only. And this is also only when we are talking about cooking and singing. And this is also only when we're talking about dancing and singing. And this is also only when we're talking about cooking and dancing. Okay. And one more thing is here given. 2x minus 2 choose only dancing. Only dancing means 2x minus 2. We have done this part first. This is like only part. 5 choose only singing. So I can write 5 here, only singing. This is, I explained you, this only part is very important. So this is here, we can see only singing. So I write written here. Okay, we have done this. We have done, okay, X choose both singing and dancing. Singing and dancing means this total is X. This total is X, not only this X. The total is X. So let's check. Do if this is suppose 5, so this will be like X minus 5. So check what is given here. Of the 25 women who choose cooking, okay, it means there are 25 here. Cooking, like altogether 25. Of the 25 women who choose cooking, 8 also choose singing and dancing. 8 also choose singing and dancing. So now this is we have to think about it. I'm working for it. 3 choose cooking only. I'm writing this 3 choose cooking only. So let me write here. Check 3 choose cooking only. So I can write 3 here first of all. Now, what we have to do, I have to just erase something from here. Okay. If I move to this part first, singing and dancing and moving to 8, let me do once again here, this part. I use different color now. What's given here of 25 women who choose cooking, of 25 who choose cooking, 8 also choose singing and dancing. So it means what I have to do here, like from here, I will write 8 here. Like eight are those students, those women who also choose dancing and singing. So it means this should be here. And if I move to because X is also connected with this part. So I would like to explain this part again. Okay, let's see. Of 15 women who do not choose cooking, okay, X choose both. Okay, now this category is changed now because when we involve these 15 women who do not choose cooking here, X choose both. It means this X is not the part of this cooking. So I will write X here because this is connected with this. So that's why we cannot like only, but we have to connect with this 15. And if I move to this sixth one, six chooses dancing but not singing. Six, okay, this is here. So this is what like the first part we have done. I should check the answer first. The answer is 3, 5, 6, 8, x 2 minus x is coming. I think so 6, 8x is absolutely right. We have done it, the first part. Yes, good. So actually it is not easy to understand. All the things it takes little time to understand, but I hope this after doing some questions, you will be able to do it. So we have done the part A. So moving to B part now. In B part, we need to find the value of x. So remember, all areas are like everything is given. But this is missing. So if you want to find this, you can find this 6 plus 8 is 14 plus 17, 25 minus 17 is coming. You can get this answer. So is 8. So now, or you can write this is 25. So 25 is total here, 25 plus 5 and x plus 2x minus x. So 2x minus 2 is equals to the total are 40. Now I think so it's very easy to find 25 plus 5 is 30 and this is 28 plus 3x is equals to 40 and 3x is equals to 40 minus 28 which is coming 12 upon 3 is equals to 4 and we got the value of 4. If you want to check the answer is coming absolutely right 4. So this was the B part we have done. Moving to part C now. How many women choose cooking and singing but not dancing? First of all, this is like what area we need actually. How many women who choose cooking and singing? Cooking and singing but not dancing. This is right. We have already like done it. So this was the right answer. So this is like 8. So this way we have done question number 5. Question number 6. For the shading region, actually, I had to upload like 1.2 question number 9, which is very which just shading part. I have to upload, and sorry, I forgot. I will upload like very soon. This how you can shade this. For shading like region on this Venn diagram shade, this is the first part. Q intersection P. Okay, Q intersection P means we're talking about this area and this area. Oh, sorry, Q intersection R. This area and this area is Q intersection. And what is P? I can use different color. P is this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now, union means, okay, when we are like after, I have explained in question number 9, 1.2, I want to upload this video. You can take the help. I have explained everything. That's how we can shade the like Venn diagram. In this, P is the yellow color and Q intersection R is the green color. And when we have intersection, we write the common one, but union means whatever you have done, color everything. And so your right answer will be this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and we have done. If you want to check the answer, yes, this is here. It's absolutely right. Moving to part B now. There are 30 boys in the class, like two categories, so we need to have this shape now. And once again, we have one more. We need one more circle, and we also need a rectangle for the universal set because there are only two categories. Let's see. 30 is a universal set. This is football, F, and the other is the cricket. Okay. Uh, okay, let's see. On of this 22 plays football. Okay, this football like 22, and 7 play cricket, and 3 play neither football or cricket. So I will write 3 outside, and it's given both the universal set is we have done it. Boys who play football together. Okay, find this. Find this means we are talking about this one. F intersection C is the common one. So this is X, and remember this will be 22 minus X, and this is 17 minus X. This is a common way to simplify in the Venn diagram. Please practice this. And if you see Adna's past paper question, when I will solve, you will find so many questions like this. This, and this all areas is equals to 30, and you can get the answer. X is cancelled out. So when we add everything, 22 and 20 is coming 42 minus X is equals to 30. 42 minus 30 is equals to X, and X is equals to 12. So it means there are 12 players who are playing football and cricket. So let's check the answer is coming 12. You're right. Okay. Second part, this is the first part we have done. Part two, express in set notation, boys who play cricket but not football. First of all, I would like to say this. Can you shade this part? Like, if you shade this part, then it's very easy to write the answer. Let's see. Uh, boys who play cricket but not football play cricket. So this is the right part. So when I make the set of this, because I know how to make this. This normally what we do, this is like this is not involved. This F is not involved, so it means F is always complement. F is always complement because there is no area of F is involved. So F complement means F is gone. When F is gone, and F will when we write F complement, just remember F complement means which area? F complement means we are talking about this area and this area. First of all, this is F complement. But what is common in F complement in this area? Only intersection with C. And that's the result. I think so. There is no F complement intersection C. And this is right. We can write or we can write C intersection F complement is okay. And we have done it. Next question is about 3 categories we have. And each of the group 20 students studies at least 3 subjects. At least means I told you that we need to draw a shape. So we have to draw like shape here. I think so. Once again, I should try to draw. Okay. The first is we need to draw 3 circles. First, and because at least means we have to use like at least means some part is common, and we can write. It takes a little time, but I think so it's good. Okay. And we also need the like a rectangle to have the total. Okay, let's see. Physics, chemistry, and biology. So chemistry is here, physics is here, and biology is here. 20 students study at least, okay. And total students are 20. First of all, I would like to think about the common part first. Let's see. Do we have something common? All those who study physics also study chemistry. Oh. This is, I have to change the diagram. This is most important part. I have to change the diagram. It means what I have to do, let's see, I have to explain now. All those who study physics also study chemistry. It means we have our circle, and in this circle we have another circle. So it means all those who study physics also study, like, this is the physics and this is chemistry. This is most important part here. Because all those who study physics also study chemistry. It means all physics students are also studying chemistry. This one. Okay. And at least means we have to draw one more circle with this. This is, like I told you, we have this is, because at least means this part is at least everybody is using. Okay. Good question. Normally, when I used to teach like in Pakistan in Karachi, I normally do not use book. I normally took my example and start from the past paper question. Because of my zero students, zero semester students are requested. So good luck. Once again, I will say three students study all three subjects. Okay, all three subjects are here. All three subjects, like you can physics, chemistry, and biology. Biology is here. I'm writing. We have done this. Okay, four students study only chemistry. Four is here. Only chemistry. I would like to use this color. Okay, this done. This done. Eight students study physics. So physics means the total are eight. Means this is three. So this will be five because this is eight. We have done 14 students study chemistry. So 14 who study chemistry means 3 is already there. So I will write 11 here. So draw the Venn diagram. All the informations are there. I think so we have done it. If you want to check the answer, I think so we should check it. We have little bit change. 5, 3 to chemistry is why this is there. Let's see. Biology we have. Oh, sorry. This is chemistry. Okay, 14 is okay, but there is no information for the biology. So 14 students, sorry, 14 students study chemistry. So chemistry means total is 14. So 4 is already in chemistry, 5 is in the chemistry, 3 is in the chemistry. So 4, I cannot add any other thing here. So 4 is 9, 9, 12. So it means two students are like there. So I will write 2 here because when I write 2 here, this will become 6. So 2 we can write here. Okay, that's good. Now we have the right answer. And sorry for that. How many students study only biology? Only biology means we are talking about this part. I can suppose this is X. Now because we have the information, 20 students are already there. So we can get 4 plus 5 plus 3 and plus 2 and plus x is equals to 23. So mistakes are like from we learn from our mistakes. So sometimes mistakes are possible in math. There are so many numbers. 9, 12, 14 plus x is equals to 20 and x is equals to 20 minus 14 and x is equals to 6. If I'm not wrong, check the answer is 6 or not. Is absolutely 6. We have done it 6. Okay, this was the part B. This was part A. How many students study chemistry and biology but not physics? First of all, we have to decide this area actually. Chemistry and biology means chemistry and biology. We are talking about this area. We are talking about this area. Chemistry and biology but not physics means we have to include this area. First of all, we need this area and this area because chemistry and biology and not physics means I have to remove this. So this area is having only 2 is the right answer, I think so. It's 2 is the right answer. So this was question number 7. Okay. Uh, I'm not starting this topic with this video because this is greatest possible value. Greatest possible value, greatest possible, smallest possible, and smallest possible value. So I have a trick for this question number 8 onward. This is my method I have made actually. And this method is like this topic, the greatest possible value, smallest possible value is the difficult part of the sets. Difficult part, most difficult. So for this, I would make another video separately for the greatest and the smallest value. Once again, I would like to say thank you so much that you comment this, you people appreciate me. Uh, Thank you once again. And whenever you want to ask anything, you can ask me. And I cannot reply all the questions. Sometimes I have also from one of the student about the miscellaneous of remanded and packed theorem chapter 5, and only 25, 26, 27, 29 questions, which are very difficult. Let's see. I'm trying my best to make all the videos. Once again, share with your friends. Thank you so much and have a nice day.